Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can block someone in Bumble. So let's start. First of all, open the Bumble app and go to the chat section. On Bumble, you can block people that you have matched with, but not some random people on the swiping screen. So in order to block someone, you can go to the chats and open the conversation of that specific person. Since it's a demo account, I don't have any matches and chats. So after opening the conversation, you will find 3 dots on the top of your screen. Tap on the 3 dots and go to block and report. There you will find an option to block that person. Simply tap on block and confirm it. In this way, you can block that specific person from your account. Well, that's pretty much how you can block someone on the dating platform. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you find this helpful and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further videos.